Is it on?
Is this thing on?
Is this thing on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh!
Nailed it! Ka-chow!
Alright, so this is a review of composition of functions. I have defined two functions, f and g, and I'm going to throw that g into f, and I have my composition, or I could throw f into g and get a different function as a result. So what I would like to do is define two different functions. My first function is called something, and that something is optimism. And my other function is called something else, and I've defined it by this really awesome equation here, or expression here, in terms of x. So I would like to throw something into something else. Here's what it looks like as a composition, but that something else is optimism. So let's see what that looks like. I've got s squared times 10 to the log base 10 of e squared all over rv to the negative 1, and where I have x there, that becomes optimism. Let me get rid of some things here for space. And the next thing I will do is just an algebraic simplification. So I've got s squared, the 10 and the log 10 cancel, so I just end up with e squared. rv comes to the top as positive 1 for the exponent, and then still times optimism. But the commutative property of multiplication says I can take all of these variables and rearrange them any way I want. That s squared just means s times s, e means e times e. If I rearrange everything, I end up with most impressive. In other words, I just threw something into something else, and it was most impressive. You're welcome.